Hi there, Vancouver. This is Jeff from JeffMobile.com. I'm right outside the Subway restaurant at Mainland and Nelson. I'm just going to be going inside to order a sub. So let's go inside and see what Subway is like. So they cook all their own bread here at Subway, and very delicious. And they also have soup.
Pickles and green peppers. Yeah.
Alright, so my sub was $8.97, and it's a nice pepper chicken sub with all the vegetables on top. So come to Subway restaurant for a good sandwich in Vancouver at the corner of Mainland and Nelson. Okay, that's the next edition of Jeff Mobile. Hope you have a great day.